Ever wondered why a telecommunications company like Rogers has its own bank? What's the connection between your cell phone and your credit card? The story of Rogers Bank is a fascinating chapter in the company's history, and it all began with a simple idea: to make a mobile-first financial service that put customer loyalty first. Back in 2011, Rogers Communications, a Canadian leader in wireless and cable, announced its intention to get into the banking game. At the time, this was a bold and unconventional move. Rogers wasn't looking to build a network of brick-and-mortar branches, but rather to leverage its massive customer base and its growing digital presence. The goal was to create a new kind of financial institution, one built for the modern, connected consumer. This vision became a reality in 2013 with the official launch of Rogers Bank and its first product, the Rogers Platinum MasterCard. The focus from day one was clear: reward Rogers customers with perks that mattered to them. The card offered cash back that could be redeemed against Rogers services, giving people a direct financial benefit for being loyal to the brand. Over the years, Rogers Bank has evolved its offerings. They introduced the World Elite MasterCard, designed for the frequent traveler, with a focus on travel benefits like lounge access and travel insurance. They also launched the Rogers Connections MasterCard, further deepening the ties between banking and telecommunications by offering benefits like free roam like home days. The bank's journey hasn't been without its challenges. The shift to a digital-first model required constant innovation, especially during the pandemic when they had to create new digital identity verification processes. But through it all, they've stayed true to their core mission. Today, Rogers Bank isn't just a side business, it's an integral part of the larger Rogers ecosystem, connecting millions of Canadians with convenient, rewarding financial services that are truly linked to their daily lives. It's a testament to the company's ability to see beyond its core business and innovate in unexpected ways. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.